In this video, you'll learn how to change the region on your Google Pixel phone. This process will help you adjust your device settings to match your preferred location and language preferences. Begin by unlocking your Google Pixel phone and locating the Settings app on your home screen or app drawer. Once you have opened the Settings app, scroll down the list of options until you find the Tap on System to access advanced device options. Within this menu, look for Languages and Input Settings, as this is where you will manage your region and language preferences. Tap on Languages to continue to the next step. Next, you will see the option to add a language. Tap on this to select a new region or language preference. A list of countries and regions will appear, allowing you to choose the desired option that fits your needs. After selecting a country or region, you will need to drag it to the top of the list. This action sets your chosen region as the default, region settings accordingly. Be mindful to select the correct region, as some applications may adjust based on this selection. After you have selected the new region, exit the settings menu. Changes will apply automatically, and your phone may update various formats such as date, time, and language preferences based on your selection. It is advisable to check different apps to confirm that the region change has taken effect. If you notice that some settings have not updated, consider restarting your device to ensure all changes are applied properly. Your Google Pixel phone will now reflect the selected region, which may enhance your user experience by providing localized content. Remember that certain applications may behave differently depending on your chosen region. If you encounter any issues, revisiting the settings can help ensure everything is set up correctly. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.